In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify domain name, a crucial step for anyone looking to rebrand their online store or just wanting a fresh identity on the web. Changing your domain name may sound like a daunting task, but rest assured, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it with confidence and ease. First, let's head to your Shopify admin, your central control room for all things Shopify. Once you're logged in, you'll want to look for the Online Store section on the left-hand menu. Click on it, and from the drop-down that appears, select Domains. Here is where all the magic happens. You'll see your current domain, the one that came with your Shopify store, along with any additional custom domains you've added. Now, let's say you're ready to use a new domain name. You have two options. You can either buy a new domain directly through Shopify or you can transfer one that you already own. If you're purchasing a domain through Shopify, click on the Buy New Domain button. Enter the domain you have in mind. Shopify will show you if it's available and provide you with some alternatives if it's not. Once you've found the perfect domain name, simply follow the prompts to purchase it. It's a straightforward process, and Shopify does a fantastic job guiding you through each step. If you're planning to use a domain name that you already own from a third-party provider, the process involves a few more steps but is still very manageable. First, you'll click on Connect Existing Domain. You're then going to enter the domain name you already have. Shopify will show you what steps you should follow on your domain provider's site to point the domain to Shopify. This typically involves logging into your domain provider's account and changing a few DNS settings. Every domain provider is slightly different, so consult your provider's help section for more guidance. After you've purchased or connected your new domain, the next step is to set it as your primary domain. In the Domains section of your Shopify admin, you'll see your new domain listed. Click the Change Primary Domain button and select your new domain from the list. This step ensures that all traffic to any domain associated with your store will be automatically redirected to your new primary domain. Finally, give it some time for the changes to propagate across the internet. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to up to 48 hours in some rare cases. During this period, you might notice fluctuations in your store's connectivity, but that's completely normal. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully changed your Shopify domain name, giving your store a fresh and relevant identity. Now, you're ready to present your brand to the world with new confidence. Thanks for watching and happy selling.